What's going on, guys? My name is Carl for Techademics, and today I'm going to show you how you can mass unfollow everyone on your Instagram account. So obviously, as you can see, I've got 1,261 following. I want to unfollow all them people, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So what you want to do is load up the App Store, and you want to go to search and type in cleaner. Sorry if I typed that in right. So you want to type in cleaner IG, and it should be the first one at the top. Cleaner for IG, it's a free app, so you want to go ahead and download and open it. You'll be greeted with a screen that looks like this. So when you click login with Instagram, you will be directed to their terms and conditions. Just want to quickly accept them and then proceed to log into your account. So I'll do that now. Okay, so you'll be greeted with a screen that looks like this, and of course you've got your following, followers, your liked, and your media that's actually on your account, and then you've got your settings. So what you want to do is, this is the ads version, so we're going to click close on that, and what we want to do first is load in all of your following people. So if we just keep going down, in the bottom right corner you see how many people have loaded up. So I'm just going to go ahead and load up all of my followers. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 1,261 loaded, which basically means I can now select every single one of them. So I'm going to go to quick select, I'm going to click select all. So that's selected all of the people that's following me. Then in the top right, we're going to go to actions, and then we're going to click unfollow. So at first, you'll only be able to unfollow 50 people. So if that's all you're after, and then that's great. But you can upgrade to the Pro version, which is $2.99, and that basically gives you unlimited unfollowings. So $2.99 isn't a bad deal for, say, most of these apps like this cost around £5 to £8. So just to show you that it does work, I'm going to upgrade to the Pro version now. And I'm just going to use my fingerprint to accept it. Okay, so the purchase was successful, so I'm going to click OK, and then we're going to proceed to unfollow everyone again. So make sure they're all selected, which they are. We're going to go to actions, unfollow, and then we're going to click start now. So it's going to load everything up. As you can see here, it's going to begin to unfollow people. So depending on how many followers you got, this can take some time. And as you can see, because it does take quite a while, we want to add it to a local queue. So we're going to do that, and basically what that is going to allow us to do is, because Instagram only allows you to unfollow a certain amount of people at a time, otherwise you will get banned, it's basically going to unfollow everyone automatically when the time threshold has been met, if that makes sense. So let's say I can only unfollow 100 people at a time, maybe give it an hour or 2 hours, and then it will automatically unfollow the next 100 people, etc. And it's basically going to continue doing that until everyone's unfollowed. So what I'm going to do is go to my Instagram account, and I'm going to show you, as you can see, my followings have now gone down, and over time this will just keep getting lower and lower and lower. So although you did have to pay £3 to allow this to happen, like I say, £3 not a lot of money, but that gives you unlimited access forever to account and followings. So this is good for a business that has a lot of followers and trying to build their Instagram account. So if this was helpful, please leave a like, and if you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.